Next concept, maximum power transfer. What is condition to transfer maximum power to the load from the source? That is, I will explain in this concept of maximum power transfer. So, while designing any system, we need to keep in mind that we are designing the system in such a way that maximum amount of power has to deliver to the load. So that is our main motto. So how to achieve this? So maximum power transfer theorem in network analysis, antenna, everywhere we are using this maximum power transfer theorem. Okay. So maximum power will transfer to the load whenever load impedance is equal to source impedance. Whenever load impedance is equal to source impedance. So if circuit is having source with the source resistance Rs and load with the load resistance RL, then maximum power is transferred if load resistance is equal to the source resistance Rs. So maximum power transferred if RL is equal to Rs. Here this is the voltage source with the source resistance Rs, load resistance RL. We may take impedance also. For example, if the source is having source impedance Zs, similarly load impedance ZL. Then if we take the resistances to get maximum power transfer to the load, RL must be equal to Rs. For example, if we consider impedances, then this is the condition. So if we network consists of resistors, maximum power will transfer to the load whenever RL is equal to Rs. If the network consists of impedances, maximum power will deliver to the load impedance if ZL is equal to complex conjugate of source impedance. ZL is equal to complex conjugate of source impedance. So this is source resistance and load. Here source resistance Rs is part of the internal part of the source. That means we can't change the Rs. So what is in our hand? RL. So we need to change the RL until it is equal to source resistance or until maximum power is transferred to the load. Source resistance is inseparable from the source. It is always existed. So it is not possible to change the Rs. So now the transmission media avoid the reflections when this are, for example, if there is some transmission media between source and load whose characteristic impedance is Z0, then what is condition to avoid reflections? This RL must be equal to Z0 and Z0 must be equal to Rs. This is condition to avoid reflections. Unfortunately, RL is equal to Rs. So if we design the network to avoid reflections, that will automatically satisfy the condition of maximum power transfer theorem. So this leads to Rs is equal to RL. Finally, Rs is equal to RL is equal to Z0. So this satisfies both maximum power transfer and also avoid reflections. So maximum power transfer theorem, this is transmission media, Vs, Rs and RL. So in this condition, not only get maximum power transfer and also no reflections echoing back to 4. That is condition is this Rs must be equal to Z0, similarly RL must be equal to Z0. So whenever these two are equal to Z0, automatically Rs is equal to RL is equal to Z0. So maximum power is in antenna system receiver section. In RF system we have antenna and LNA. This is antenna. This is low noise amplifier. What is condition to transfer maximum power? The input impedance of LNA must be equal to Z0 of the antenna. So in LNA maximum power is possible only when no reflections. When will no reflections? Whenever input impedance of LNA is equal to Z0. So maximum power is transferred in LNA when no reflections, and therefore output power is equal to input power into power gain. So P out is equal to G into P in.